In this video tutorial, we'll talk about designing a floor view, which is very useful if you have a dine-in type of restaurant or a bar or both, where your customers sit down on a designated spot or place, let's say table or a bar stool, and they dine or drink and they don't pay their bill. There is a running tab until they're finished, and somebody's usually serving them, and then they pay in the end. So for these kind of establishments, what we'll do is we will design a floor view. So we'll go ahead and go to, if you want to see right now, the floor table view, as we call it, is empty because we haven't set up anything yet. But if we go to setup and then we choose redesign floor view as an option, this simple menu in here allows you to practically design your floor of your establishment, let's say restaurant or bar or both, as close to the original as possible. These check boxes in here represent all a table. Whatever checkbox you click on will be a table placement, and let's say your establishment has like tables in a column. You can check these vertical ones or horizontal, or let's say something circular or rectangular. You can do a formation like this. But what don't I show you before we get into too much of it? I'll go ahead and do a fictitious floor view. I'll select this table, and of course it's going to ask you how you would like to name the table, a designation, unique designation for that table. You can name your tables however you like. However, for simplicity in here, we'll just number them, and their names will technically be numbers. And I'll also select to show the bar, meaning we'll have a bar on this floor view as well. And keep in mind, there is a possibility to enter 54 tables apparently in our software all at once. And if your establishment has more than 54 tables or more than one bar of 12 bar stools, then you can still benefit from our software, and you can still use our software for additional placement by using in the floor table view a custom button that we'll show you later. So let's just go ahead and click submit changes right now, and you will see how this looks like. Click floor table view. Here's that formation that we just made, and here's the bar. The bar stools are numbered B1 through B12, and here are the tables exactly like we named them. Now what I was referring to earlier is if you have more bar stools or tables than can be shown on this screen, you would just use this button in here, more table or bar orders, and as soon as you click it, it just asks you what do you want the designation for this virtual table or bar stool to be, and you can just write anything as a designation for the table or the bar stool, and the order will be under that, and will let you place an order with a running tab. This is also useful, what we call virtual tables. They're useful for this option here, this button, for things like if a person will be just standing around in the bar and ordering drinks, not sitting in one spot, you may want to put a designation of something like the guy in the red hat, so it can literally be that. That could be your virtual table name or virtual bar stool name. So you're running a tab for this guy in the bar that has a red hat, and that's how you do that. So our floor table view is designed right now, and we can place orders for these tables and bar stools.